Hello, it's SpellTime06 and we've come as far as page 20. Now today we're going to look at 3 rules, but they're all about the same thing. They're all about the final ED spelling and how we pronounce it. For example, played. He played in the yard. Attacked. The dog attacked the cat. There the ED is pronounced t, attacked. But we had played, played. So sometimes the ED is pronounced d and sometimes it's pronounced t. And we have another. He waited outside the school. Waited. So we have the d sound, played. We have the t sound, attacked. And we have the id sound, waited. But they're all spelt ED. Let's have a look at the rules, shall we? Rule number 32, that's on page 20. The suffix ed is pronounced d after a vowel or a voiced sound. Now you may be thinking, what's a voiced sound? It's hard to explain, but let me try. If you say the sound f, f, it's right here at the front. Now if you say v, you can hear it down here. It's behind your teeth, v. That's a voiced sound. If you say k, like a K, k. But if you say g, you can tell even more that's down here somewhere in your voice box. So v and g, and what about p and b? Which one is the voice sound? B. Okay, so if it's a vowel or a voice sound, then the ed is pronounced d. For example, rubbed, saved, braved, loved, and so on. Now, if the suffix is after a voiceless sound, that's one of the voice sounds that come from the front here. For example, p, k, f, then it's pronounced t. For example, we have ripped, attacked, laughed, whiffed, tapped, sacked. Okay, so we have the d and the t sounds. Now then, sometimes, and this is rule number 34, the suffix ed forms a second syllable. It's another part of the word after a d or a t sound. So if the word ends in a d or a t and you add ed, what happens? Want, wanted, wanted. Okay? Paint, painted. Thud, thudded. Nod, nod your head, nodded. So if you add the ed to a t or a d sound, it's pronounced ed. How do you pronounce these words? P-A-I-N-T-E-D. Painted. And one last one. C-O-U-G-H-E-D. Coughed. That's all for today. See you again soon.